there's one thing I want to share with you all regarding business success. If you want to succeed in business, the first thing you should do is get out of your comfort zone. There is a time, right, you really need to get out of comfort zone. And the time is when your business start to face stagnancy. What do you mean by stagnancy? You realize that your company, right, instead of improving, it start to remain stagnant, or even worse, it goes down. Then you realize that, right, this is the time that we should get out of comfort zone. The first thing about comfort zone is identify your comfort zone. For instance, you know that you should aim for the star, but you hit the tree. Okay? Then after that, right, you keep on telling yourself, hit the tree can already lah, no need to hit the star. Is this a comfort zone? This is a comfort zone. If you know that, right, doing sales is the most important thing in your company, and you realize that you start to be reluctant, don't want to meet with customer, don't want to do sales, yes, you should face this comfort zone. Then if you are the kind who like to go outside and do sales, but you realize that your company needs some operation changes, right, to bring your company to a new height, right? Yes, then doing sales is actually your comfort zone. Not doing sales, then it's something that you should break through. So as a business owner, you must always identify your comfort zone, especially when your business start to face stagnancy or going down. I share with you a story. So once upon a time, there's this guy, right, he fall in love with a girl. So this one very long time ago already. Why long time ago leh? Because nowadays can use WhatsApp. This long time ago belong to the era where people write letter to send to each other. So he like this girl, what he do? Every day he write a letter. Then after that go to the mailbox, right, drop the letter. Every day he do this thing. Then the girl actually every day also got reply leh. Until one fine day the girl suddenly not replying. Then he start to feel strange. Why she don't want to reply? So what does this guy do? He persists. How he persists? He every day continue to write letter, but the girl still never reply. Until one fine day, he is at his house there. Then he see this girl nearby. Okay? Then he go and approach this girl. Then he say, "Hey, hello, want to ask you why I write letter to you, you don't want to reply me back Then you know what this girl say? This girl say nothing. This girl just pass him an envelope. Then he take the envelope then he open out the envelope there's one letter. This letter no word one only got one hole in between. Y'all make a guess what does this hole mean? No lah. Actually this hole means what Means breakthrough lah. Why you keep on sending me letter? Can call me or not? Can go to my house find me or not? Why must keep on sending letter? Yeah, so this is called breakthrough. So guys, if you are in a business and you realize that your business is being stagnant, right, what you should do, you should break through. Right? I'm not just telling you, I'm also telling myself. So if you like this video, you can like, share and comment. I see you at the next video.